Okay, and then I have got my tape changed. Now I have 2 photo mats, exactly like the one on the first page, and they will hold a 4x4 photo. I'm going to put that one right there. Put that one right there. And then I have another giraffe, and this giraffe comes from the Cricut cartridge Animal Kingdom. He's cut at 4.79 inches wide by 9.76 inches high, and I used some Wicastella on his spots. And all of my images are paper pieced together. Well, I lied. The next image is the only print and cut because it was only available in print and cut. So all my images but my next one is paper pieced together. Oh goodness. And that's this cute little giraffe here. He comes from the Adorable Giraffes Cricut cartridge, and he's cut at 2.10 by 5.63. I cut him out twice, and then I glued him together, and then I have used foam tape on the back of him because I wanted him to pop up. And then I also inked all around him in the Vintage Photo Distress ink. Boy, I put a lot of foam tape on him. I sometimes forget because I have them all. I do my layouts 2 or 3 days before I film them most of the time, so I always forget what's on foam tape and what's not until I pick it up. Okay, and I'm going to put him right down here. And I think he looks so cute with his little tongue sticking out. He needs Wicastella on his tongue, don't you think? I do. Yes, he definitely did. So that finishes my Giraffes at the Zoo layout. So I hope you guys like it and enjoy it, and thanks for spending a little time with me. Cheers!